In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize an icon in Figma. First, open your design so you can see the icon you want to adjust. Make sure you actually have the icon layer selected in the Layers panel or on the canvas. If it's grouped or part of a component, a quick double-click will drill inside until the specific icon layer is highlighted. This ensures you are resizing the right thing and not the entire frame or a surrounding group. The fastest, most reliable method is the Scale tool. Press the K key on your keyboard or choose Scale from the toolbar. With the icon selected and the Scale tool active, click and drag any corner handle. You'll notice the icon grows or shrinks while keeping everything in proportion, including stroke weights and effects. This is especially helpful for icons because lines and borders stay visually consistent as you scale. If you want super precise control, watch the tooltip that appears while you drag, which shows the percentage you are scaling by. Release when you reach the size you need. If you prefer exact numbers, use the inspector panel on the right. With the icon selected, locate the width and height fields labeled W and H. Type in the size you want and Figma will update the icon immediately. If you need to keep the proportions locked, click the small lock icon between W and H before you change one value. That way, entering a new width will automatically adjust the height to match, avoiding any distortion. You can also use simple math here, like typing Fay2 at the end of a value to double it. For quick, repeatable scaling, another flexible approach is to drag the bounding box directly. Select the layer with the regular Move tool. Then drag a corner handle to resize. Hold Shift as you drag to maintain the aspect ratio so your icon doesn't stretch or squash. This is great for quick adjustments when you already have a general size in mind. Keep in mind that this method moves points and paths, but it doesn't always scale stroke weights the way the Scale tool does. If consistent line thickness matters for your icon set, the Scale tool is the safer choice. Before wrapping up, zoom in to check edges and alignment. Confirm the icon still looks crisp at its new size and sits cleanly in your layout. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.